Hello student, myself Salim, teacher of Symmetry Group Communication. I am going to explain today chapter is gravitation in physics class 9. Now, first of all, I am telling you what is gravitation. Gravitation is an attractive force in universe. Now, it is derived by Newton's 1686. Then, first of all, what is gravity? Then, first of all, what is gravity in the universe? Now, it is one of the most basic force. It is one of the most basic force in the universe. Now, it plays as fundamental role not only in the structure of our solar system, but also in the way object we have on the earth. I repeat this. What is gravity? I am explaining. Gravity is one of the most basic force in the universe. It plays a fundamental role not only in the structure of our solar system, but also in the way object we have on the earth. Then note this and next heading gravitation. But it is known and explained if any object free fall on the earth, then this object always moves toward the center of earth. We can say center of earth. But why? All objects throw to upward. But after some time, object moves in toward the center of earth. How this possible? It is possible by gravitation and gravity in universe and on the earth. But what is gravitational force? Gravitational force is depend on mass and separate distance between them and any object, but gravitational force independent of the medium. Now, first is gravity. I repeat this. What is gravity? It is one of the most basic force in universe. It plays a fundamental role not only in the structure of our solar system, but also in the way object we have on the earth. I am explaining if an object on the earth and on the sea are different points, we can see this effect of gravitation. All objects moves toward the center of earth. How this possible? It is possible by gravitation and gravity. Now, note this. Hello student, next heading is gravitation. First heading is gravity and next heading gravitation. It is the attraction between the two objects. Attraction between two objects in the universe. Gravitation we can see whole universe and our universe. Now, gravitation. It is the attraction between two objects in the universe. Gravitation may be the attraction of object by the earth. Attraction of the earth. Now we can see all objects through. I am explained also all objects through to upward from hand. Now after some time, this body repeat toward the center of earth. How this possible? First condition is possible because and this object applying a force upward, then object moves to upward. After some time, the object moves to opposite direction. We can say center of earth, towards center of earth. How this possible? What is toward condition. Then this force attraction due to gravitation on the earth. Now this is earth surface. This is earth surface. Then a body free fall toward the center of earth. Then we can see the body has a weight mg. Then this body moves due to weight. This weight we can say gravitational force attracted by earth. This direction toward center of earth. Now gravitation, we can say this force depend on the mass. Then if first mass of earth get condition, the mass of earth is me and radius is from earth to object, then r. The object mass m. Now the gravitational force depend directly proportional to, this is gravitational force directly proportional to product of mass m, e and object mass. This is directly proportional and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Now square of distance, this distance is re. Now 1 upon re is square according to universal law. Now if this is equation first and this is equation second, we can say the gravitational force is directly proportional to product of body's masses. Now inversely proportional to square of distance between them bodies. Now this is earth. Now then by equation first and second, by equation first and second we have F proportional m upon re square. If this sign remove, we have F is equal to G m upon R. What is G? Where capital G universal gravitational constant. What is capital G? Universal gravitational constant, and we can say in short form UGC. What is capital G? Capital G is universal gravitational constant. Its value is capital G. Its value is capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11. Now I am explain what is gravitational force. The gravitational force is directly proportional to product of masses of bodies and universe. Then in universe. Now and next topic is the gravitational force inversely proportional to square of distance between them. This force is independent of the medium. According to, we can say this is gravitational force and this is gravitational force of now. According to gravitational force of law, in the universe, the force is directly proportional to product of masses of bodies and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. The force is independent on the medium. According to gravitation law, F directly proportional to me and m. First bodies has mass m and earth mass has me, and radius separate distance between two bodies is re. Now F directly proportional product of masses of bodies me and m. First body is me, we can say earth, and second body is any other bodies is m. Now F directly proportional 1 upon r square is second equation. First equation and second square. Equation by equation, first and second. Now we have F directly proportional me m upon r square. F is equal to capital G and E. This is reference. M E m upon re square. Sorry. Where capital G universal gravitational constant. What is capital G? Capital G is a constant. We can say its name is universal gravitational constant, and its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, and its unit is gravitational capital G. Its unit is Newton meter per kilogram square. Capital G. What is capital G, and what is value, and what is unit of capital G? I am explained. The capital G is named universal gravitational constant, and its value of capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 minus 11, and its unit is Newton meter square per kilogram square. Note. And next topic, the gravitation may be the attraction of the object outer space. On the outer space, annex outer space. Now, gravitation may be the attraction of object on outer space. How this is possible? Gravitational may be the attraction of object in outer space. First example, attraction between, for example, condition, the gravitation may be the attraction of object in outer space. We can see and explain. Then this is Earth and this is Moon. The Moon moves around the Earth, around of Earth. Now we can say this motion due to gravitational force, attraction between the Earth and Moon. And second, in the space, attraction between the Sun and planet. Gravitation may be the attraction of object in outer space, yes, as attraction between Earth with Moon, attraction between Sun with planet. Now, note.